If you want to choose the default music player for the Now Playing feature on Google Pixel 11, first you want to go to the Now Playing app, which you should be able to find in the app drawer, of course. Now in here, if we go to the history, if you have any song detected, then you should be able to, for example, tap on these three dots on the right side, right next to the song. And then here we have Connect Music Service. And here you can find every music service app that you have installed on your phone. So if anything is missing, of course, there are two options. You can either check if you have the app installed, if not, you need to install it first. Or the second option is that it is just not supported with Now Playing, unfortunately. But then you should be able to simply choose whichever app should be used. And whenever you try to play any of these songs, then you can, of course, use that feature, that app, I mean. You can also go to settings in the upper right corner to find a similar option. So instead of choosing a song, you can just go over here and then you can make that choice. So that's pretty much it. Leave a like and subscribe.